So now, how can we trade this derivative? That is the main thing that we need to know. As you can see the platform right here, the platform has USDT what? Perpetual. And we have USDC what? Perpetual. And we have inverse perpetual and option trading. So I'm going to be explaining all of this one after the other so you can understand. You understand? But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be sticking on the USDT perpetual. But I'm going to be explaining everything that we are seeing right on this screen right. I'm going to be explaining it to you guys. You understand? So right now, as you can see, Biola, we have this USDT perpetual. What does this mean? And like I told you in the explanation, that when we talk about derivative, we are talking about perpetual. You understand? Like you are proposing. You understand? But in this aspect, you are not holding the what? You are not holding the contract. You understand? You are just like proposing that, okay, this certain price will go to this certain level at this certain time. But now, what this USDT is means that you are using your USDT as a collateral. That, okay, hold this for me. You understand? Like you are a collateral. That, okay, this is my collateral. I want to come into this contract and trade. If this contract go along according to my plan, the USDT you give them as a collateral will be doubled or even quadrupled. You understand? And they're going to be paying you back. You understand? Your profit in that USDT. Yes. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. When you are trading USDT perpetual, it means that you are going to go and buy USDT, not USDC, because you want to what? Use USDT as a collateral. You understand? To trade the contract. And they are going to be paying you your profit also in USDC. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that is why but this inverse perpetual is like you are trading a fiat. You see, you have BSDC and USD in dollar. You understand? You are trading against, but you are using BTC as what? Collateral in this perpetual trade to trade the contract, and they are still going to be paying you your profit in what? In BTC. So we have option. This is an advanced trading, but I don't want to go into this for now. You understand? This is an advanced. This one is a crazy trading platform. You understand? And I'm not sure that some extent that they are even having all of this option trade, but it's forex trading in local currency, international, that use for option trading. You understand what I'm trying to say? But right now, cryptocurrency is also advancing, and they are including option trading that you can call, and also you can also put. We call it put and call when it comes to option, but when it comes to derivative or spot trading, it's just buy, sell, short or long. You understand? That is just the button that we'll be pressing when you've already decided what you want to do in the market. So we are not going to that, right? So we want to stay with USDT perpetual. So we want to go into USDT perpetual because we want to be using USDT as our collateral. That is why the first thing you have to go and buy USDT so you can be allowed to trade here. You understand what I'm trying to say? All right, so right now, as you can see right here, because I've actually moved the fund from my funding account into my unified trading, which is my derivative account. So as you can see my USDT right here, we have 1.38. You understand? Available. You understand? They have moved the fund into this account. That is why you have to move it first. If you didn't move it, you will see the balance sitting down in this your derivative trading account. It will be 0. You understand what I'm trying to say? So right now, what you want, I'm going to be explaining all of this one after the other for you guys. So in this derivative account, we call something cross and we call something isolated. When we put your trading at cross, you understand? Okay. That means that whenever you put your USDT, you already transfer it from funding wallet into your derivative account. When you are trading cross, that means whenever your liquidation price is already at its peak, you understand, and you are about to go out of the trade, whether you are losing or whether you are at profit, the trading platform is already integrated in such a way that it's going to withdraw money from you again and put it inside the trade. That is when you put it at cross. You understand what I'm trying to say? But when you are using like isolated, that means that the amount that you bring out of from your funding account is the one that they are going to be using in trading. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you understand the difference between the cross and the isolated. You understand? Cross is like you want them to go and take fund for you automatically. You understand? And keep you on the trade. But when you isolate, that means you have isolated portion or amount of your money that it should be used for the trading. You understand? That is the difference. But now, as you can see right here, when you tap on the cross right here,
Okay.
Because you are using a unified trading account, it will be automatic on cross. You understand? So now, as you can see, this tab right here is called leverage. I'm going to be explaining this totally so you guys can understand what is leverage. This leverage can make you a millionaire and as well can wreck you. You understand? If you are not properly,
can send you back to village.
It can send you back to village, exactly. Like now, if you are using 25% leverage, you understand? It means that when Bitcoin move by 1% up, it will be 25% when you are using leverage.
Okay, yeah.
You understand? So the amount of money that you put in there, it will be what? 25% profit.
Yeah, times 25, yeah.
You understand? So there are some contracts that allow you to even extend it to 125. You understand? It depends on the contract, but I think the contract that we pick doesn't allow more than 25. Okay. You understand what I'm trying to say? So this is where a lot of people turn 10,000 into 1 million. 1 million into this is a crazy path, and this is a place that you have to be extremely be careful as a beginner. And that is why most people will tell you that if you are a beginner, you shouldn't go into trading cryptocurrency using future trading platform. You understand? But for people that have already understand what they are doing in the market, they can just blow it up because they see, okay, this thing is going to be happening. You understand? So they want to edge the market and take advantage of it to double up their money. You understand what I'm trying to say? So this is what they call leverage. It's like a borrowed fund. You understand? That you want to use to double up your portfolio. So this is what they call leverage. So when you come down to, you see this candle, you can click on this candle. So this is where you see the chart and how the stuff is actually going. As you can see, it's going up right now, and you're going to be seeing a lot of things right here. You understand? So you can click on the chart or you can exit it. The next thing you can see order right here. These are order. People are bidding. These are people bidding, and these are people that what they want to sell. So when the agreement between the contract is approved, you're gonna be seeing it in the order book. We call this order book. This is what you see, order book. Okay. As you can see, you will see a quantity. People are buying price. They buy this. As you can see, it's continuing changing because it's contract. You understand? Agreement between the buyer and seller that we want to sell at this certain level. You understand? When the agreement is meant, they will sell it out. As you can see, these are quantities that people are buying. So as you can see, these are the quantities that people are buying at the site, and these are the quantities that people are selling out. You get the point of what I'm trying to say. So you guys can subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be using this order book to even place a trade without indicator. This is an amazing, when you understand how to use order book to even confirm whether your trade is going to be going through, it's going to be even allow you to have upper edge. When I'm seeing people buying massively, you see, as you can see, people are buying it massively. We are having massive order pushing the price up. So I know that the price action, which is, as you can see, is moving high, because a massive volume of buying pressure is in the market right now. So I can actually take a trade. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's one of the basic things that you even need to understand as a beginner, even advanced trader. You have to understand how to use your order book, because order book won't give you, it won't fake out the market for you. It will be showing you the volume. As you can see, look at the quantity. People are buying. The quantity of people are buying than people that are selling. You understand? Because people are buying it heavily at that certain level of price, because they believe the price will keep on going up. You understand? And they will make more profit. So now I can decide that, okay, at this certain level, with a lot of technical analysis, I can use this as also a confirmation to also enter my long position, that the price will keep on pushing up. I hope you understand this. So the next thing we're going to be talking about right here is this, where you place your trade. This right here, as you can see, this is where you place your trade. So I want you guys to take note. We have this option right here, which is limit order, market order, and condition. You understand? But I'm not going to be talking about the conditioner, but I might touch a little bit of it. When you use limit order, that means that you want to set a price that when this CFS USDT, you understand, reach that certain point, you should enter the market.
Right.
You understand? The extent to trigger your position and enter, place you in the market. Like now, look at this, selling at 4529794 bar. Let's say 200. So for now, you can say you want to buy when it is 0.45. You understand? 45. Let's say 250. You understand what I'm trying to say? And you're gonna put in how many order. Let's say out of my money that I transfer, which is 1.3 0.38, right? I can say, okay, I want to use 0.5. I want to use 0.5 to trade. You understand what I'm trying to say? You get what I'm trying to say? So now let's see. If I place my buy position right here, you will see an order is what is successfully cancelled because the order has changed. You understand? Because the thing is selling at this certain level now, and I'm expecting it to. You understand what I'm trying to say? So let me just put it somewhere around here that when it goes down to this certain level, I want to enter the trade. So let's see the quantity I want to buy 0.5. You understand? I want to buy 0.5 of this. You understand? 0.5. I can click on buy. As you can see, my order has been submitted. Order submitted. You will see it right here. So now I'm in position, and as you can see, I'm already in profit already, because I've already understand that, okay, with my order book that I've already used. But it's not advisable to usually use order book to confirm. So right now, as you can see, when I see my position, I'm already in profit. Look at it. You can see, because I'm using a small lot size. You understand? Look at it. I'm already at profit 0.009 USDT up, 3% up out of the money I use. You understand what I'm trying to say? This is very, like, you guys need to understand. You see, I'm already 4%, 5% profit. So for now, I'm just going to close this profit. I'm just going to close. You understand? I close this trade, and already if you come down right here, as you can see, my profit, my gain is around 3.7. Let's come down here. You can come to your order book and go to profit and realize that what is the profit I realized. Look at it. This is realized profit 0. When you come down here, you see 8% profit gain. Wow, it's just an instant. You understand? But this is not as easy as you think. But you understand what I'm trying to say? It's not as easy as it is. You understand? But you need to understand the fundamental before you can start placing trade. So I just use that as an example. You understand what I'm trying to say? That is limit order. That you want to set a certain price, that when it reaches that price, you want to enter the market. But when you use market order, look at market order. When I place it at market order, it means that this exact price that they are selling it right now, that is the one I want to enter the market. So I can just set another USDT again, like 0.5 again. You understand? And now I can just come down right here and what? Buy. It will see instantly. It entered the trade for me. Unlike the other one, you stay in order book because the contract has not reached that certain level I put. Hope you understand. Look, I'm already in profit again, 6%. I want to close my trade. I've closed it, and I'm already in profit as well again. When you come to your all profit and realize, as you can see, I'm already in profit again. As you can see, when you click on this, you see 5% profit again on my money. Imagine I put 10,000, 5% of 10,000, 5% of 100,000. I'm already up. So this is a very risky trading. Like, you understand, you have to understand it before you start going into the market. But just because I see my order book telling me that the people are having a lot of buying pressure in the market, that's even showing me some confirmation, but I don't rely on it. But just because I'm doing tutorial, so I just want to show you guys how to use the market order and limit order. So right now I've done that. So next thing we're going to be looking into is how can I set my stop loss and what? Take profit. You understand? That is very important. You need to understand how to set your stop loss and take profit as a trader. If you don't know that, you are not going to be a consistent trader, a profitable trader. You understand what I'm trying to say? So right now I'm going to be using the market order so I can be able to be in the position, so I can show you how to set your stop loss and take profit. You understand? So right now I'm going to put in it at this, and I want to enter the market at with 0.5 again. You understand what I'm trying to say? I want to buy the contract at that certain level, so I'm going to be clicking on long again. As you can see, I'm already into the position because I'm using what? Market order. You understand? But when you are using a limit order, you are setting a certain price range that when it reaches there, the market should trigger and put you in the position. You understand? So now, as you can see, I'm already at loss, -4, but don't mind about that. So instantly, I need to set my what? Stop loss, because I don't know if the price will go beyond that and I'll be liquidated. And when you come down right here, this one written in yellow, right? You are seeing estimated liquidated price. As you can see, 0.001. That is estimated liquidated point. Immediately it goes back to that certain 0.00 extent, I'll be liquidated out of the market. As you can see, I'm already running at loss. You understand my point? So because you don't know how the market is actually reacting towards the level, so you don't need to instantly set your what? Your stop loss, so that it won't eat up all your accounts. So for you to set your stop loss, you need to look at your price action chart. You understand that? Okay, you click on the chart right here, as you can see. So I want to set my stop loss around maybe 1% from where you're entering. So you see a lot of people talking about stop loss should be 1% and your take profit should be 1.5%. You understand what I'm trying to say? But this is not a rule. But I think if you understand what you are doing, your stop loss can even be a lower, but your profit, how much you are risking, should be what? Lower than the amount that you want to. You understand? It should be lower. Just like, so let me say I want to like risk 10,000. You understand? To gain 100,000. You see, that's what take profit is all about. Take profit and stop loss. You understand my point? That I want to risk. These are amounts that I can risk. That if the price go back to this level, it should take me out of the market, and I know I've lose, right? So now I just come down right here and just come, let's say right here, I'll just put the stop loss tidy. You don't need to put it very closer, because when you put it very closer, you might already use a technical analysis, but the price might actually come back to your stop loss and wipe you out of the market and go up again. So that's why you don't need to make it very tidy. I'm still going to be going in depth into the stop loss for you guys when we are talking about the technical analysis. You understand what I'm trying to say? But for now, I'm just going to show you how to place the stop loss. So right now, as you can see, I can just put my stop loss right here, that if the price should go back to this place, it should exit me out of the market. I know I've already take the loss. You understand? So right now, as you can see, you just have to put this in a paper. You write it down. This 4316, right? 4316. Then you go back to this chart and come to this place right here and set your stop loss. So now to set the stop loss, as you can see the market price right here, you want to do the calculation that 1% of this, you understand, or 1.5% of this, that it should be out of the market. So now let's say let's say we have 0.45. You understand what I'm trying to say? And I want to like 1% of this. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay.
Like it should drop 1%. I can just put it maybe, okay, it should stock me up immediately. The price go back to, let's say, 0.52. You understand? And hit on OK and click on confirmed. And as you can see, I submitted it. As you can see right here, immediately this market price actually go back to this certain level, this 4.50, but now it's not there. I'm still in the market. Immediately go back to this stop loss, I'll be out of the market. So now how can you take your stop? How can you take your profit when you see that you're already in profit? You understand? So now let's say you are in profit already. You can click on close buy. And I'm going to be telling you that Bybit is the best, because they are going to be funding you. They are going to be paying you for placing order in the order book. I'm going to be showing you that. So now let's say we are in profit and I want to close a portion of my profit. All I have to do is just to click on close buy option. You understand? And you're going to come down to limit, because they are paying you for putting order. You understand? By placing your order in the order book, they are going to be refunding fund for you. As you can see, my order has been filled because I'm already out of the market. Let's see. As you can see, because the stop loss has already hit my what? My target. So I've already lost already. Let's come down right here and you're going to see, can you see I've already lose money, and you see 22%. So that is why future trading is very risky. You need to start knowing what you are doing. Place your stop loss instantly before you. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Then the second thing I actually tell you guys is that first thing, you have to be placing trade with money that you can afford to lose. Look at this, 22% of my account. You understand? Is what you understand that when you put 100,000, you lose 22% of 100,000. So that is why you need to understand what you are doing in the market before you even start placing money. You understand what I'm trying to say? So, but I'm not freaking with that, because I know I can make more of this when I sat down and do my analysis before I come into the market, place my stop loss and hit my target. You understand? So, but because I'm doing tutorial for you guys, I don't mind. So you guys should show me appreciation by hitting the like button for doing this, for risking my fun for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, so that really motivates me to even bring more of this. So right now, as you can see right now, so I've shown you for that reason, right? So now, because the trade has already triggered my stop loss and I'm already out of the market with losses, I'm going to be placing another trade. So I want to show you guys how to take your profit. So now I'm going to be looking my charts for instance right now for me to know what actually is going on. You understand? I'm going to be going to my order book. but this is not a financial advice. Order book is not a confirmation that you should be using. We need to use a lot of confirmation, but just because of this tutorial I need to do this. You understand? I'm looking at my order book and I'm seeing a lot of selling pressure in the market. You understand what I'm trying to say? People are trying to push the price down. You understand? See? So let me say, okay, for now I want to risk 0.5 of my portfolio USDT that I have, and I'm gonna be shorting the market with using market order. As you can see, instantly I'm already in profit again because I see my market order showing me that we are pushing down. So all I'm going to be doing now is just to set my stop loss, but I'm not going to be setting that because I've shown you guys that in the other part. So now I want to take profit. You understand? I'm going to be clicking on close buy, and right there as you can see, I can say, okay, quantity, I want to take everything at that instant that I'm making profit. Or you can say I want to take 10%, I want to take 25% of my profit, I want to take 50% of my profit, I want to take 75% of my profit, or 100% of the profit. As you can see, I'm already in I'm already in profit of 0.001 USD because my lot size is a little bit smaller. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is how you can take profit. But now don't use market order, because when you are using market order, you are going to pay a fee. As you can see, it's right at 0.002 fee in market. You understand? You are going to pay a fee that you want to close. But when I use, look at it, limit order, look at it, close, inclusive inclusive of the estimated fee. Hope you understand the difference between. So when I use this and I post, it should post it, they are not going to be charging me for using limit order because I'm a market maker now. You understand? And Bybit reward market maker that you are putting the liquidity into the order book. So that is why a lot of platforms out there that are not doing. Bybit is doing this, is paying you for placing liquidity into the market.
Okay.
Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to be closing this position using this. I'm already in profit of 0.3. I'm going to hit confirm 100% of it. I don't want to be in the market again. As you can see, I've submitted, and when we go to our order book and I will go to realize profit, and as you can see, I'm already in profit again, and I'm up. I think we are up 3%. You understand? So this is how you place trade, set your stop loss, and take profit. So if you guys want to see a lot of video talking about beginner's guide, how to read your price action, technical analysis before you start taking trade, make sure to give this video likes. This will really even show me that you guys are really interested in this video and you want to see more of it. And you guys make sure you join the Telegram group and my amazing Discord server for all traders out there all over the world. So now what we want to be talking about next right here in this platform is, so let's say I give you a signal in my Telegram group, you understand, and you want to enter, you understand. So all you have to do is just to come down to this portion right here and change the contract. I might say, okay, today we are trading on BTC USDT. You just have to change this favorite. This is most of the thing that I trade mostly, you understand, because I understand their market structure, how they behave. But you can as well add it, you understand, to your own account. If you want to add it, you can just click on it. Let's say BTC and USDT is my favorite. You can just click this function right here and you can see remove from, because I've already added it. But now let's say I didn't add it before, I'll click on this and add it, so it will be shown in my in my favorites, you understand, that I trade. So now for you can select a lot. This is what I'm talking about, that some contracts might not be available in some exchange, but Bybit gives a lot of contract that you can trade. As you can see, a lot of pairs action. You understand what I'm trying to say? That you can trade. So let's say now I give a signal in my Telegram group or Discord, you understand, and we are going to trade at 8 a.m. in the morning, because I trade two sessions. Because I trade 2 times in a day. I trade the London session and the New York session. If you guys want to know all about how I enter my trade, you can join the Telegram group, link in the video description, or my Discord, whichever one. So let's say I want to trade BTC. I give a signal that BTC or USDT, or I say, okay, today we want to trade, let's say Solana and USDT. You just have to click on Solana and USDT, you understand, and I'm going to be giving you a certain level that, okay, now we are entering at 23.4 USD, you understand, that is the current price, you understand. So all you have to do is just to put it at market order, you understand, that you want to buy it at this certain level that I said from the signal that you should buy. And you're going to specify how much you want to risk from your wallet. So let's say I want to read 0.5 again. You understand what I'm trying to say? 0.5 again of my wallet, and leverage. See, you see, this contract allow you to go 50% leverage. So this means that when price go 1%, that's 50% of your money. 50% gain on your money, and if it go against you, you are losing 50% of the gain. So that is why you can use this leverage to double your money, to turn 1,000 into 10,000, 10,000 into 1 million. You understand? But you have to make sure you are staying caution, because it's very risky. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now it's 50. Let's say I want to use 50. I want to show you guys that you can also use 50. So now, but all you have to do is to understand where are we go, where is the price action going. So right now, before you enter the trade, because we are using a super high leverage that can make you rich or even wreck you, so you have to make sure you do all the technical analysis, the fundamental, and even the sentiment. You check the sentiment. So now it's going up. I want to react. Because of the sake of this tutorial, I've already put this and I'm using market order, because let's say I give signal, right? Yeah. So you just have to use what is going up long, like you want to buy. As you can see, I can't enter this market. The reason why I can't enter this market is that look at the price that they are selling, 23.47 USD, but amount I'm having in my wallet is $1.
Okay.
Because $1 is the same thing as 1 USDT. You understand? Yeah. So that is why when I click on buy, you see minimum cost exceeded, I cannot buy because I don't have the amount of money they are selling it. So right now, as you can see, we can take trade right there, as you can see. So let's say I give signal about, let's say, CFX. You understand? Because we also trade CFS in the Telegram group. So I tell you that, okay, use 5% leverage. You understand? You change this 5% or 25% leverage. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you just have to click on save. You understand? So that's how you set your leverage when I give signal, when you see the leverage I'm actually using. So you guys as well can take advantage. So all you have to do now is, as you can see, so I specify that, okay, use market order, I want to buy at this certain level, because because I've already do my analysis and I see that the price is going up, you understand, or it's going down, that we want to we want to react towards the market condition. You understand what I'm trying to say? So all I have to do is just to put, you have to put the amount that you're willing to risk. You understand? I'm not going to be telling you that you should risk certain amounts. You understand? Because you own yourself, you know your risk appetite, the amount that you can afford to lose. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So now let's say I want to raise 0.05, as you can see. So now, as you can see, I can actually buy this order. So let's say I say you should short CFS USDT. So you just have to click on short, and you're gonna be what? And I'm gonna be telling you that you should exit the market. As you can see, we are in profit. So I'm gonna be telling you that you should exit the market immediately. And also I'm gonna be showing you that you should exit the market at this certain price level. So to set that, you just come down right here, and you want to put the quantity, let's say 100, and I'm going to be telling you that limit order, let's put limit order, and you're going to put close price. I'm going to be telling you that you should close your price when it is 0.6, let's say 65 or 67 right here, and you should post, you place post, because they are not going to be charging you using post, because you are putting liquidity into the market. You understand? So Bybit will reward you for that. So all you have to do is just to click on what? Confirm. And right here, as you can see, immediately the price, as you can see, we are out of the market. As you can see, so if you want to see if we are already in profit, you can come down right here. As you can see, we already lost, because, and the reason why this has actually closed is because we've already closed it. You understand? Because I closed it at that certain price. You understand? So if I give a signal, I'm going to be giving you, okay, they are entering into the market using market order. You understand? And we're taking our profit at this certain level. So you just have to click on, let's say, okay, I want to enter the market, so you guys can understand what I'm trying to talk about. Let's say I want to raise 0.50 again, and I'm going to be looking my order book. Because of this tutorial, so because I don't want to risk a lot, so I'm just going to be looking my order book right here and look where we are at. So as you can see, I'm seeing a lot of selling pressure right there. So all I have to do is just to come down right here, and you see I've put the position of the amount I'm willing to risk. I'm not going to be showing you that in my signal. I only want to tell you that I'm entering certain level and I'm selling at this certain level. I'm taking my profit. So I'm going to be clicking on sell. As you can see, we're already in profit again. So let's say I want you guys to close your order when the price, use limit order and post only. So let's say I said you should close your position when it is 3.0, let's say 0.0. As you can see, we are going to make 0.02 in USDT. You understand what I'm trying to say? And I'm using limit order because I want you guys not to pay for fee, because Bybit is going to be rewarding you guys for using limit order. So I'm going to be clicking on OK, and as you can see, the price is actually going towards our position. When you come down right here, you can actually see it, if it's actually going towards the direction of the price that we set. So to see that this way, you want to click on this order, and as you can see, we want to close our trade when it's reached this when this current price has reached 0.43. As you can see, we are going to be any profit. That is how you take profit. You understand what I'm trying to say? And this is position. And so now you can set your stop loss as well. I'm going to be showing you the stop loss as well in the signal. So make sure you join the Telegram group and the Discord. There are a lot of traders that is going to be joining as well. So we can actually gist and talk about a lot of trading opportunities out there. So right now, as you can see, I can actually set my stop loss. Now when the price actually reach 0.44, let's say 0.44, let's say 0.445 or so, I should be out of the market. I'm going to be losing 6.07. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I'll just show you guys how to set your stop loss and take profit when I give you signal, or when you even yourself you are confident enough to take trade. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's that for that. Let's say I want to set a stop loss at 15%. As you can see, we are going to be losing 15%. Let's say 5%. I want to set 55%. You're going to lose 5% to what? To win even more profit. So all you have to do is just that you are setting your stop loss to be lower than your profit. Let's say my stop loss is 5%. My take profit will be what? Even 50% or 60% above of it. You understand? Or 1.5 more than I can take profit. Let's say I want to take profit on this at 5%. I might take maybe 5.5%. That is 5% of it. So I'm risking 5% to make 5.5%. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that is all about stop loss. I can easily confirm, and the stop loss will be set. As you can see right here, we are already in profit right here, and as you can see the mark price right here, this is it. And if it actually reaches our target, it will be triggered and we will be in profit. But because we don't know what the price actually do, we are actually randomly placing position. You understand? We are not doing any technical analysis. As you can see, my stop loss has already been reached and we are out of the market with loss. You understand what I'm trying to say? When you come down right here, as you can see, because I set my stop loss to be tied, it's very closer, so the price actually eat it and we run at loss at 6%. I don't fucking care, because the money we are using to trade is the money that I'm willing to risk. You understand? That's why I advise you guys to actually risk the amount that you are willing to risk. Don't put your school fees, your kid feeding fee to trade. It's very risky, because even you yourself will be trading with emotion. You don't know what you are doing. You will be in a worry when you lose a trade in a row. You will be, oh, I want to revenge this trade. I want to win my money back. And because of this, you are going to be even lose more. You are not going to be concentrating to trade properly. So that is why you put the money you can afford to lose. So we come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys have gained a lot from this video. And I know this video is extensively, I think trading community should be helping each other so we can even grow more. And because we are fighting for freedom, that is why I'm very passionate to even teach people on how to get started in trading cryptocurrency, which is what I'm actually specializing on.